Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to install Linux on your Chromebook. So let me start by clicking here. I go to settings, I go to developers, then turn on Linux. Click next, then use a custom size. I'll give it 12 and click install. Then you wait, depending on Wi-Fi speed, you'll be able to install Linux on your machine. So that's it. It shows it's installing. You wait a few minutes. So I'm installing my Linux. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell. Thank you. Your support means a lot. So let me wait. Yeah, it's now. I've now installed my Linux. So the rest, I'll be showing you more tutorials on how to use your Linux on your Chromebook in more videos I'll be uploading soon. Thank you.